Cool.
Okay. Hello there. 我是新一男，他是少科龙。OK， so 饺子皮会用2个调料，是面粉和水。
第一步是把面粉和水放在一起。
I should have made this like a time lapse or something.
You want to do a time lapse?
No.
We can do a time lapse.
Okay, sure.
Alright, let's do a time lapse.
So 你把面粉放在 what is this called? Board 上，要把这个面团也剪成一个长条形状 ，which I can't do. Okay. It's too big. That is too big.
Okay.
Are we gonna like put generic music over this?
Yes.
How powerful do you feel?
So much power. It's like it's someone's head. I'm visualizing this as someone's head. And I'm just squashing the head like so. Look at that. Look at that. Look, and then they'll roll their heads and they'll be turned into 饺子.
所以现在要开始擀面，所以是这样子。Just make this a time lapse. I don't care.
Am I doing this right, Ricky?
Yes, you're doing excellent.
I don't think so.
I'm making this video, by the way.
No. It better be time lapse, Ricky. Hey, Ricky, what's the most polite fruit?
这饺子馅儿有很多调料，有猪肉、白菜、葱、鸡蛋、姜，然后用盐、酱青、酱油、香油和橄榄油。
我是把葱头和白菜切成小块。You messed up again. You need me to do it.
Oh. I am recording.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put all this stuff in there. Ricky, you made a mistake. Okay, hold on. It'll be easier this way. Just stop recording then.
所以下一步是把所有这些调料都给加进去。所以这是酱青。Oh god. 酱油。香油。Wait. Okay. And 也加一点盐和橄榄油。Oh god, that was a lot. 然后把所有东西都给和起来。 OK， 然后再加上鸡蛋，然后就把所有东西都给和在一起。Okay, you can end it now. Why is it so blurry?
Why are you so bad? 最后加了白菜。我们包饺子。Alright, you can stop recording now, Ricky. Thing, and there you have it. Alright, let's do it again. Ricky, this isn't a circle.
You made that one.
It's irrelevant who made it. The point is, you're bad. Do we need more stuff?
OK, that's enough. 我们自己做的调料也很容易。第一步是加一点醋。Oh god, that's a lot. OK， 然后完了以后加些酱油、酱青。There's a difference. 香油。and 再加一点辣椒油。
I can't. This is like. It's okay. Ricky, how do I sauce? What's in here again?
I don't know.
Alright, whatever.
I can't believe you actually
I regret
did that.